Start the printer first. Now we need to find a blank piece of paper. Place it on the tracks first. We need to adjust the spacing between the nozzle and the material. Operate through the up and down buttons. Adjust to a distance approximately 1 to 5 mm. Then we need to open the noise case. Find the material sensor on the edge of the white paper. Open the transparent cover. And then we need to push the white paper just now onto the sensor below. It needs to be exposed to infrared radiation. We observe the position on the monitor. As soon as the red number lights up, representative senses consumables. If it doesn't light up, we need to make sure we have material underneath. Then press the gray button above. Remove the white paper after the refresh is complete. Numbers have disappeared. Push the white paper back down. As soon as the number lights up, now close the transparent protective cover. The position of the sensor is not fixed. We can do it like in the video. Control it to move laterally. Now let's go to the computer to operate. First, we need to open the software. Select Test. Then click the first option. Now wait for the lower left corner to load. Next, we start the printer. Let the white paper pass through the print head. The state diagram will be printed. As you can see, the drawing effect is not ideal, uneven color. This time, we can choose to type the status diagram a few more times. If the effect still does work, you need to find the included dust-free cloth and nozzle cleaning solution. Then raise the height of the nozzle. Take out the clean cloth and fold it a few times. Then soak the position of the contact nozzle with the cleaning liquid. Press and hold the top of the nozzle with one hand to prevent displacement. Wipe the surface of the nozzle with the pass stain with the cleaning liquid. Just wipe it back and forth twice during this process. Next, readjust the nozzle height and reperform the material induction. Now we can just type the state diagram again.